So just taking a quick look at VeChain then on the daily time frame. As we can see, it's still looking really good after the back test of that really key area that I've been talking about so much in videos recently. By the way, please do like and subscribe and leave a comment on all that stuff. It really helps out the channel. You can see obviously our bear market resistance getting a lovely, test, and then the back test now looking really good in this local uptrend. You can see we're making those higher highs and higher lows, retesting previous levels, and getting a nice clean break out of that bear market consolidation that we saw here, along with starting to make our way up through our Fibonacci levels. As I say in numerous videos, making your way up through your Fibonacci levels is the key thing that you want to see for cryptos doing in bull markets, and they're always really high levels of credence and reliability with good areas of support and resistance, I've found anyway, for your Fibonacci level pulled from your bull market high down to your bear market low. And you can see here basically what's been going on with VeChain. A very nice 95-97% correction down into the bear market, get down to 1.5 cents where we just couldn't push the price any further down. Started to get into a nice little bullish uptrend. We came up and actually closed above this previous area of resistance here. Came down looking for support. Lovely backtest of the 0.23 Fibonacci down here at around 2.7 cents, as I said before, along with the 100 moving average on the daily. Very good area of support in bull markets. And then another lovely little parabolic hockey stick formation here, ripping up through resistance, as you can see, coming up into this area here, as you can see, also making a nice little bit of a range in that local area, along with conquering that 0.38 Fibonacci as well, which was sitting at around 4.2 cents as the support of that range. You can see that resistance and the support here. We could obviously come and test the high and the low, the high, the high, the low, the high, and then actually broke down with Bitcoin having a little bit of a correction, dragging the markets down. As you can see in that local area, we've got that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 come down here, start to back test into some of those really nice previous levels back here, as you can see, and got a bounce in that area pretty much straight away. You can see we did actually break down and back test and get a little bit of a move to the downside, but I don't think Bitcoin really had much legs to the downside in it this time around. And once it started to show a bit of solidarity and strength and a bit of breaking out of its resistance, you can see VeChain broke out, retested, forming a little bit, as I said before, that inverse head and shoulders like this. Obviously, if that's the case, you've got your head to your neckline, and then this is your target up here, which we've pretty much come up and met almost here, back very much into our previous range, looking something like this, up to around 5 or 6 cents, 5 to 5.5 cents, sorry, at the top of this range that we were in previously. Really just chopping around anywhere from around that Fibonacci 4.24 cent level up to around 5 cents, and now we're back inside that range again, currently sitting at around 4.7 cents and looking like in a little bit of a bullish uptrend here. Bitcoin also looking very similar, and really I'm thinking Bitcoin's going to be heading up to new all-time highs over the next week or so. Judging by how it's forming up, it's just consolidating for its final leg up, I do believe. VeChain obviously mimicking that price action in the local area. Really, you'd probably come and expect now a retest of that high in that local area around 5.1 cents, and most likely a break above if we do start to see Bitcoin getting quite boring and altcoins starting to move. Our next target obviously up here at the 6.1 cent level, which is sitting very nicely at our 0.50 Fibonacci. Overall, the macro looking really solid on this. The micro in the local area looking fine. As always, thank you very much for watching. Please do like and subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll catch you in the next video. Cheers.